This is BrewDog and Friends, the only beer subscription where you are saving the environment by buying it. Now this is not an ad, this is just a really good deal because the first box you only pay postage and packaging on. For 8 beers, which normally, you know what craft beers are like, they cost a fortune, they're like £2 a can. £3.95 and you get 8 cans along with a magazine about the history and sort of thought process behind each of the beers. It's mental. 4 original BrewDog flavours along with 4 collaborations or friend brews. This month I'm so excited because it includes a collaboration between BrewDog and Tony's Chocolonely called Tony's Hopalonely. It's pretty funny stuff. But it's white chocolate and raspberry flavoured beer, and I'm gonna have to do a separate video because I'm so excited. This is a video literally telling you to just pick up some really cheap craft beers, and they're delivered to your door. I mean, what more could you ask? You don't even need to go to the shops, you just get given free beer. It's all carbon negative, you're saving the environment, and you're getting beer for really cheap prices. There is no commitment as well. £3.95 is the postage and package cost for the first box. Then from then on it'll be £20 a box. But you can just literally cancel after the first month if you want to. I'm not going to because I'm a big fan of BrewDog and I like what they do. But if you only want the cheap pack, you can do that too. So if you want to join the world's most sustainable beer club, click the link down in the description. I don't have a discount code for you and I haven't actually managed to find one. I don't think there is, but I think this deal is good enough on its own. So £3.95, 8 craft beers and a magazine delivered to your door with no commitment. What more could you want? Easy win. If you're a long-term subscriber of the Gabe Green channel, you will remember that I did a BrewDog video a while back. It was for the Lost Lager, which was their first carbon negative beer, and it was really exciting. I got it through the post and I did a sort of unboxing video. So I'm gonna try and do that with my favorite beer, which is the raspberry and white chocolate milkshake IPA. If you haven't seen the Lost Lager unboxing, click this side to watch it. I'm trying to work it out what it'll be in post. I think it'll be that side. Yeah, over there. Maybe it's that. No. It's there. It's definitely there. It's there. So just click that if you want to watch the unboxing video. I've just made that so difficult to edit, and I hate myself for it. But if you want to watch the BrewDog unboxing video for Lost Lager, check out that. And when the raspberry and white chocolate milkshake IPA video comes out, then just. Yeah, if you subscribe to my channel and click the bell, you're not going to miss it. You're just going to crop up in your feed and you're going to be like, nice. So just make sure you do that, okay? Subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications because I've got loads of really exciting content coming up.